Sometimes when you go to washing station, when you go to wash your machine or your car, you will see that sometimes tire will be coloring black. Let me show you how we used to clean it. You first of all use your Pepsi. This is Pepsi. This is Pepsi. You will use this Pepsi to clean to make it like this so that the color will be black. Let me show you this effect so that you can also use it. Let's come. Let me show them. Look at this one now. We have already look at this one now. We have already cleaned this one. See how